What better way to clean your very dirty and used US Jerry water can than to pop it in the dishwasher. I like to put mine on a hot wash. See you in 2.5 hours. So this is the jerry can after its little trip to the dishwasher. So the next step is to remove the paint. So due to me being an idiot, I've lost some of the footage of the jerry can being stripped down, but as you can see here, all the old paint's been removed and I'm now in the process of applying the new paint. So with the primer coats on and dry, it's now time for some khaki semi-matte, and as with all of my painting, it will just be dust coat. So this is after just one coat, sorry, 2 coats, and we're just about to put the 3rd and final coat on. So join me for part 2 of the JERRYCAN restoration, where I'll be applying a stencil and finishing it all off. Thanks for watching. See you later. Please make sure that you share, like, subscribe and comment if you've enjoyed the content, and I'll bring more videos to you in the near future.